Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Vahini Reddy and I have my practice called the Dental Venue in Koramangala, Bangalore, India. I have been practicing here for the past 15 years. People often ask me how necessary it is to cap or crown the teeth after a root canal process. Now the root canal process primarily addresses the problem of teeth that have been extensively decayed or infected. While every effort is made to conserve the natural tooth structure, it does become brittle after the root canal process. A dental cap or crown after the root canal process reinforces the tooth structure and restores its functionality, especially in high traffic areas of your mouth where there are maximum loads. Teeth often change color after the root canal process. They sometimes become grey or extensively stained. Capping or crowning your tooth after the root canal will help solve this problem as a natural shade is restored that makes this tooth blend in seamlessly with your adjacent teeth. Tooth may have also lost its original contours even before the start of the root canal process due to decay. A dental crown restores its shape and also seals it off from further contamination, thus preventing reinfection of the teeth. So I would like to reiterate that if you have undergone a root canal procedure, might as well go the whole way and cap or crown the teeth to maximize efficiency and longevity of your tooth.